Hello, once again. Welcome to the seventh session on the topic Significant Practices in Logistics Planning. Introduction. The evolution of events in response to global shifts, technological advancements, and changing preferences has elevated the role of logistics to new heights. In the contemporary landscape, events are not just occasions, but intricately woven experiences that demand precision and foresight in their execution. As we navigate through diverse event formats and audience expectations, the five best practices in logistic planning explored in this section emerge as guiding principles for event organizers. These practices delve into the core of what makes events not only successful but truly exceptional. From fostering clear communication channels to navigating the financial intricacies with precision, each practice contributes to the overall tapestry of event excellence. In an era where attendee experience is paramount, the creative infusion in the experiential aspect becomes a transformative element. Through these practices, event planners can navigate the complexities of logistics, ensuring that every logistical detail serves the ultimate goal of crafting events that leave a lasting imprint on the collective memory of participants. As we unravel the layers of significance within logistic planning, it becomes evident that it is more than just a functional aspect of event management. It is the art of translating vision into reality, aligning diverse components seamlessly, and creating an environment where every attendee can immerse themselves in the unfolding narrative of the event. The following exploration of each best practice provides a comprehensive understanding of how these principles not only address logistical challenges but elevate events to the realm of extraordinary experiences. Communicate duties and requirements clearly, facilitating seamless collaboration. Effective communication within an event planning team is the cornerstone of a successful event. The clarity in roles, responsibilities, and ownership is paramount. Defining roles within your team, building a cohesive unit. Successful event execution begins with a cohesive team. Defining roles, responsibilities, and areas of ownership ensures that team members are aligned with the event's objectives. Clear delineation of tasks contributes to a well-oiled machinery where each member understands their specific contributions, fostering collaboration. Transparent contracts with vendors, navigating potential conflicts. Vendors and sponsors play pivotal roles in the intricate dance of event logistics. Crafting transparent contracts with explicit terms such as deliverables, payment schedules, and revision processes is essential. This not only reduces the risk of misunderstandings but also lays the foundation for a smooth collaboration. Designating a point of contact further streamlines communication, fostering effective collaboration between the event team and external partners. Utilizing messenger apps and team groups, enhancing communication efficiency. In the era of digital communication, messenger apps and dedicated team groups emerge as invaluable tools. These platforms provide swift channels for updates and changes, ensuring real-time communication. The immediacy of such communication methods ensures that everyone involved is on the same page, significantly reducing the chances of confusion and duplications. Plan the event budget meticulously, navigating financial waters. A meticulously planned budget is the financial compass that guides every decision in event planning. Drawing from past expenditures, establishing budget benchmarks. Past event expenditures serve as a treasure trove of insights. Referencing historical data aids in establishing realistic budget benchmarks for various categories. This approach provides a solid foundation for meticulous planning, offering a nuanced understanding of financial needs based on the event's specific requirements. Organizing budget into categories, structuring financial plans. A structured financial plan is crucial for effective budget management. Categorizing budgetary allocations into distinct sections such as staffing, venue, and marketing provides clarity and organization. This approach not only facilitates easy tracking and monitoring of expenses, but also enables the allocation of resources based on priority areas. Real-time updates and alerts. Navigating budgetary changes. Event budgets are dynamic entities susceptible to changes throughout the planning process. Real-time updates and alerts regarding budget changes are crucial for effective financial management. Transparent communication, especially when dealing with budget cuts, is essential for maintaining stakeholder confidence and ensuring financial stability. Get creative with the experiential aspect, elevating attendee experience. Innovative approaches to the experiential aspects of events can turn them into unforgettable experiences. Introducing virtual credit cards, opening doors to innovation. The evolving landscape of events demands innovative solutions to enhance attendee experiences. Virtual credit cards, an unconventional yet effective tool, present unique opportunities for engagement. These digital cards can be utilized to offer allowances for virtual experiences like meals, wine mixers, and other interactive activities during the event, adding a layer of personalization. Collaborating with local businesses, diversifying virtual experiences. Partnering with local businesses injects a personalized touch into virtual experiences. Offering attendees a curated selection of options from local restaurants and vendors diversifies the range of choices for virtual activities. This collaborative approach not only supports local businesses but also adds a unique and region-specific flavor to the event. Gamification through point-based reward programs, enhancing engagement. Keeping logistics related to various interactive games for the better involvement of attendees is a significant practice to focus on. Gamifying the event experience through point-based reward programs is a proven strategy for enhancing attendee engagement. Attendees can earn points through various interactions and redeem them for swag, prizes, or even meals during the event. This not only fosters a sense of active participation, but also adds an element of excitement to the overall event experience. Put extra effort into swag bags, transforming souvenirs into cherished memories. Swag bags, when thoughtfully curated, can leave a lasting impression on attendees. Careful product selection, aligning swag with audience preferences. The contents of swag bags play a crucial role in shaping attendee perception. Thoughtful product selection, guided by an understanding of audience preferences, ensures that the swag resonates with attendees. Conducting pre-event surveys to gauge preferences helps in selecting items that not only have regular utility but also align with the tastes and preferences of the audience. Tasteful branding for significance, avoiding excessive attention. While branding is essential, maintaining a delicate balance is key. Tasteful branding on swag items aligned with the event theme ensures significance without drawing excessive attention. Striking this balance is vital as the swag bag serves its purpose best when it seamlessly integrates with the overall event experience without appearing overly promotional. Buying in bulk for cost efficiency, enhancing swag bag value. Purchasing swag items in bulk not only ensures cost efficiency but also provides versatility. Leftover items can be repurposed for other promotional activities or saved for future events, maximizing the value of swag bags. This strategic approach not only optimizes resources but also allows for a more sustainable and eco friendly event. Prioritize event technology. Tech integration for seamless operations. Leveraging technology is fundamental for ensuring the smooth functioning of event logistics. Prioritizing event technology is pivotal for seamless operations. Leveraging cutting edge solutions enhances efficiency, communication, and issue resolution. From streamlined registrations to on site management tools, integrating technology is not just a convenience but a strategic imperative for optimizing resources and elevating participant experiences. Choosing integrated project and event management tools, centralizing operations. The complexity of event logistics demands a centralized approach to management. Integrated project and event management tools serve as the backbone of seamless operations. These tools provide a comprehensive platform for various activities, including budgeting, coordination, and marketing. The interconnectivity offered by such tools ensures that all aspects of event planning are synchronized for efficient operations. Workflow automation using IT tools, minimizing repetitive tasks. Automation is a key driver of efficiency in event logistics. Implementing workflow automation through IT tools minimizes repetitive tasks, allowing the event team to focus more on strategic aspects by planning. By streamlining routine processes, these tools contribute to increased productivity and reduced chances of errors. Comprehensive conferencing platforms for virtual and hybrid events, ensuring seamless experiences. In the era of virtual and hybrid events, the choice of conferencing platforms is crucial. Opting for comprehensive platforms with features such as registration, live streaming, analytics, and interactive tools is essential. These platforms contribute to a seamless and engaging technological experience for participants, thereby enhancing the overall success of the event. Conclusion. In concluding this exploration of event logistics best practices, a resounding theme emerges. The essence of a successful event lies in the mastery of details and the foresight to embrace innovation. Communicating duties, meticulous budget planning, creative experiential touches, thoughtful swag bags, and technological integration collectively form the cornerstone of a well crafted event. They are not disparate practices but interconnected threads, weaving together a narrative that captivates attendees and leaves an indelible mark. In the changing scenario of event management, where each event is a unique tapestry, these practices offer a blueprint for success. They transcend the boundaries of event formats, applying to in person gatherings, virtual symposiums, and the hybrid fusion of both. As event planners navigate the complexities of logistics, they find in these practices not just guidelines but a compass pointing towards excellence. The symphony of a well executed event, harmonizing logistics and creativity, resonates long after the event has concluded, echoing in the collective memory of those who were part of the experience.